myself. So let's go ahead and set it up, and then we get to the part where you need to do Windows setup, where you have to be connected to the internet. Here, what we do is Shift 10. When we do Shift 10, we get this. Basically, what we do is caps locks on. So as you can see, caps locks are on right here, and the light is on. The keyboard is excellent. Holy cow. I'm gonna probably end up getting the same machine just with better specs overall, because this is amazing. So we're gonna do OOBE, then backward the slash, bypass, and then after bypass, we're gonna do NRO. O as in October, O as in October, B as in boy, E as in egg, backward the slash, and then by, B as in boy and Y as in yellow, then pass, B as in Peter, A as in apple, S as in Sam, S as in Sam, then NRO, N as in Nancy, R as in Rio, and O as in October. Then we hit enter, and as soon as we hit enter, this actually will restart. So right now it's restarting, and as soon as it finishes restarting, it will actually log in again, and when it logs in again, we will not have to do the sign in thingy again. We can just go in, and then we will be good to go. So we are into Windows again, and from here we're gonna go and then choose yes, United States, and then we're gonna choose yes, US. And now we are here again, and this time we have an option that is saying I don't have internet. As you can see right here, we can actually this time click on it, and then we would go to agree to the terms. That's the only way that we can go forward. Then here you would set up the name for the device that you want, and after setting up the name here, you would do a password. For me, I do not want a password, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click enter. And then here with the diagnosis and the location and all that fun stuff, my personal information is very valuable, so they will get nothing out of me. So basically everything is turned off. Then we will hit accept and continue. And here, if you wanna register the device, since this is an HP device, usually it will ask you to register the device. We will skip that. And right now the device is opening for the first time, getting things ready for you.